Have you ever felt disappointed by a hire or anyone you paid to help you? This is a problem that can exist in all four stages of business. Every time I think about hiring someone, I either doubt that I can trust them or I doubt myself and my ability to put them to good use. I love the idea of getting help in my business, but everyone I've tried to hire so far has just created uncertainty for me. Well, you aren't clear on what you truly need out of each role, so it's hard to know if you're hiring the right person. At this point, I've been burned and I don't know who to trust. The more we grow, the easier it will be to attract top talent. I might feel like I know how to hire people, but then I don't have time or space to make sure I'm getting the expected ROI from them so that I feel really frozen. We just need to understand what level of involvement you want or need in each role so that we know how to best support you. We are ready and capable of helping you. We just need to make a plan and stick to it. So, in this scenario, CEOs are often disappointed by hires because one, they aren't clear on what they truly need out of each role. Two, they don't have any trust because they've been burned before. And three, they don't know how to allocate the right amount of space to manage their team. And I just want to let you know that issue is the visionizers and the strategizers and the mobilizers to figure out together and come up with a plan to fix those three reasons why fires take over all their time, energy, and probably make them lose a lot of money too. Here are some of the tools that you want to use when you're thinking about how to help the team stay focused and not make the fires take over them. First is a team accountability map, an actual mind map of that team accountability, some management and communication systems that will help you organize these thoughts and create solutions, and ultimately a one-page strategic plan that everyone is working from so that you stay on course. Some of the other things you might want to consider are annual anchors, which means knowing exactly those times where you're going to be creating campaigns or marketing what you're doing. A launch calculator, which tells you what the goals are and lets everybody get on the same page. And obviously, actual offer and revenue goals, and knowing how to implement what we call on our campus the unique message model.
If you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more entrepreneurs who want help growing their business. And be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get seen, heard, and paid for the unique value you bring into the world. Until next time.